Body lotion. Lotion pour le corps. Corps is body. Body lotion, lotion pour le corps. Deodorant. 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 Your deodorant. Okay? Deodorant. Your deodorant. Deodorant. To what a bad smell. To what a bad smell. Okay, this is not your known perfume, but it is going to alternate. I have to improvise. As a perfume today, this is parfum. Perfume in French is parfum. The fancier, the better. Nice smell. You know, when you smell nice, there's this certain feeling when you smell nice, or when someone just comes very close to you and the person, oh, please, what perfume are you putting on? And you just smile, you know. So yeah, women are so, a woman can just, oh, you've actually put on perfume after you had your bath, about to go out, and then you still have spares in your handbag. So, deodorant, lotion pour le corps, parfum, deodorant, parfum, lotion pour le corps. So, that was all about it. Why are you so intentional about your skincare? Do you do it for someone? Or you just want to look good, flawless, and just appreciate yourself? If that is the reason why you did, why don't you tell us in the comment section? We want to be part of your life story. I don't get to be the one always talking about how about you. We want to learn